Good morning. We were studying chapter 3. The name of the chapter is Goodwill, Nature and Valuation. In the previous videos we discussed about the meaning of goodwill, factors affecting the goodwill and the methods of valuation of goodwill. In this video we will solve few unsolved questions. The first one, the illustration says that the firm earns a profit of 1,60,000. Its average profit is 1,60,000. The rate of normal profit being 10%. Normal rate of return is 10%. The assets of the firm amounted to rupees 20 lakh and liabilities, external liabilities were 8,80,000. Calculate the goodwill according to the capitalization of average profit method. Okay, capitalization method and capitalization of average profit we are going to do. So solution, the first step which we will be doing is we will find out the capitalized value of the firm. We will find out the capitalized value of the firm, and the formula is average profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Now what is the average profit? What is the average profit? Average profit is 1,60,000. And what is the normal rate of return? According to the question, the normal rate of return is 10%. So capitalized value of the firm will be 1,60,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 10 equal to 16 lakh rupees. Now what will be the second step? We have to find out the capital employed or the net assets. Second step, we have to find out capital employed or net assets. What will be the formula for that? Assets are given and liabilities are also given. So to calculate capital employed or net assets, the formula will be total assets minus outside liabilities or outsider liabilities. Total asset minus outsider liabilities. Total assets is 20 lakh rupees and outsider liability is 8,80,000 rupees. So net assets or capital employed will be 11,20,000 rupees. We have calculated capitalized value of the firm. We have calculated capital employed or net assets. What will be the next step? We will find out the difference between these two to find out the value of firm's goodwill. The firm's goodwill will be calculated by finding out the difference between capitalized value of the firm and net assets or capital employed. And the amount is 16 lakh minus 11,20,000. Okay, so 16 lakh minus 11,20,000, the value of firm's goodwill is 4,80,000 rupees. Now we will take one more question. Now read the question thoroughly. Firm earns a profit of 4 lakh rupees. Okay, so average profit is given 4 lakh rupees. The normal rate of return for similar type of business is 10% rupees. So normal rate of return is 10%. The total value of assets excluding goodwill and outsiders liability is, total assets is 44 lakh rupees and outsider liability is 11,20,000 rupees. We have to calculate the goodwill using super profit method, capitalization of super profit. So first step, they have given us average profit. Average profit is 4 lakh rupees and normal rate is 10%. What will be the second step? All of you, what will be the second step? We will find out capital employed. To find out capital employed, the formula will be total assets minus total outsiders liability. Total asset minus total outsider liability. So 44 lakh minus 11,20,000. So capital employed is 32,80,000 rupees. Average profit is given, capital employed is given. Now to find out super profit, what we have to do? We have to find out normal profit. What will be the formula for calculating normal profit? Capital employed into normal rate of return divided by 100. Capital employed is 32,80,000. Normal rate is 10%. So 32,80,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100, we will get normal profit as 3,28,000 rupees. 3,28,000 rupees. Now the second step is to find out super profit. The formula for super profit is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit minus normal profit, we will get super profit. Average profit is 4 lakh rupees and normal profit is 3,28,000 rupees. So super profit is 72,000 rupees. Now we have to find out goodwill by capitalizing super profit. What will be the formula for that? Goodwill is equal to super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Okay, capitalizing super profit. The formula is super profit multiplied by 100 divided by normal rate of return. Super profit is 72,000 and normal rate of return is 10%. So 72,000 multiplied by 100 divided by 10, we will get goodwill as 7,20,000 rupees. The firm's goodwill is 7,20,000 rupees. Now I have given two similar questions. The values I have changed. Try to solve these two questions and send the solution to me.